Hi everyone, my name is Meg Austin. I'm an academic advisor at CSUMB, and today I'm just going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can book appointments with advisors online. So first you're going to want to log into your CSUMB dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on the advising appointments link from the light blue bar at the top of your dashboard. My dashboard will look a little different than yours. The advising appointments link is found under more apps for me, so it's right there. That's the link you're going to want to look for. Once you click on that, it should take you to this page. This is Insight. So to request a new appointment, you're going to want to go on the right-hand side and click Request an Appointment. And after this, you'll click again, Request New Appointment at the bottom. From here is where you're going to select what type of appointment you want to have. So we're going to click Choose, and I'm going to say Advising Career and Student Success. And you can, from here, select either an appointment with your academic advisor, with a career advisor, or with a student success advisor. I'm going to select academic advising and select my major. Now it'll tell you the menu options of what types of appointment that advisor offers. So you're going to want to select the one that best suits what you want to discuss. I'm going to say I would like a Google Hangout check-in and click Done. And then you can select the date range from which you want to meet with the advisor. It usually does 2 months out because that's how far in advance you can book an appointment. I like to keep it in that range, but you can make it maybe 2 weeks out if you prefer. Time range, you can say your preferred time range that you'd like to meet with them. It always defaults to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And the days of the week that work best for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all the days of the week that we offer appointments, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And then it's important to also select the location. So you'll just select the office location of the advisor of where their office is. So whether that's the library or maybe Ocean Hall or Chapman Science. At the moment, we're offering solely remote advising. So I'm going to go ahead and click Remote. Then all the available appointment slots should show up on the right-hand side. So you're going to want to look at the date it says. So I'm available Thursday, March 26th or Friday, March 27th. And so on and so on. So I'm going to go ahead and pick Thursday, March 26th at 2 o'clock. Then this window should show up, the length of appointment, who the advisor is, the date, where the location is, the time, and what type of appointment should already be there. What you're going to do is enter your phone number. And then you're going to write a brief message about what you'd like to discuss with your advisor. And then you're going to say Submit Request. And that's it. So the appointment request has gone through to me, and I will review those pending appointments, and you will get a notification when the appointment has been approved. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. If you ever have any questions, feel free to contact your academic advisor or the advising front desk at 831-582-3937. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and take care.